welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I am gonna do carrot and pineapple cupcake for you guys. So guys, before I get into this video, I want you to like, share, comment and subscribe and hit that post notification bell so when I drop a video you will get notified. So guys, if you want to see this process of this cupcake, just stick around. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna whisk the oil and the sugar. So I'm gonna whisk it until it comes together like a soft texture. Okay, so I'm gonna add 4 eggs. In this, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of ginger extra. You can use regular ginger, but I'm using this one. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Make sure everything is combined together. Egg, the sugar and the oil. Do not over mix it up. This is okay. And the next thing now, I'm gonna move on to the flour, the dry ingredients. I'm gonna move on 2 cups of flour already sieved. And I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Half a teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. I'm gonna add the wet ingredients into the flour. Combine that together. Guys, and I already preheated my whole oven to 360 degrees. And this is gonna bake for 20 to 25 minutes. So now I'm gonna add the pineapple paste. That is 1 cup. And 2 cups of shredded carrot. this mixture can give you 12 cupcakes and one 8-inch cake. So now I'm gonna line my baking tin with I'm gonna line my cupcake tin with cupcake holder and put it in the oven to bake. So I'm gonna use a half cup measure. I'm gonna fill up the cupcake into 3/4. I'm using the half cup to measure. So guys, this is the result. So before you put the cupcake in the oven, make sure that the cupcake pan is cleaned up properly, because these stuff will start to burn and you think that the cake is actually burning. So you clean up the pan, you clean up the lining, clean up everything, so when you go in there, you don't start to burn or anything. So guys, I'm gonna put it in the oven at 360 degrees and bake for 20 to 25 minutes, and when it's finished you will see the end product. So guys, just stick around. Yes guys, this is the end product of the cupcake. Guys, I'm telling you, I just taste one. It is so nice and so delicious, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. Before you click off this video, I wanted to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. Share the video, guys. Share them to your friend, auntie, uncle. Until next time, I'm out.